Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to deposit a check on your Wisely card in 2025. If you're using a Wisely card for your finances, you know how convenient it is for everyday spending, and depositing checks just got even easier and faster. Whether you're a busy professional or just managing your daily expenses, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. So, grab your check and let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the latest Wisely app installed on your smartphone. Head to your App Store, search for Wisely by ADP, and download it if you haven't already. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your credentials. If you're new, you'll need to create an account using your card details. It's quick and secure. Now, navigate to the Deposit or Mobile Check Deposit section. It's usually right on the home screen for easy access. Before you proceed, endorse your check by signing the back and writing, "For mobile deposit only," below your signature. This is a crucial step to ensure everything goes smoothly. Next, select the option to deposit a check. The app will prompt you to take clear photos of both sides of the check. Make sure you're in a well-lit area and hold the check steady to avoid any blurry images. After snapping the photos, double-check the details like the amount and payee name that the app auto-fills for accuracy. Once you're happy with everything, hit the Submit button. The app will process your deposit, and you'll get a confirmation notification almost instantly. Funds typically appear in your account within 1 to 2 business days, but with 2025's updates, it might be even quicker. A few quick tips to make this process seamless. Always use a strong internet connection to avoid errors, and keep an eye on your account for any deposit confirmations or issues. If something goes wrong, contact Wisely customer support through the app. They're available 24/7. There you have it, folks. Depositing a check on your Wisely card is as easy as pie. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it went. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.